If you want Firefox to use native Windows notifications instead of its own built-in notification style, this quick setting change can help. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable native Windows notifications in Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is especially useful if you want your notifications to look and behave more like the ones you already use on Windows. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your Windows computer. In the address bar at the top, type About, Config and press Enter. This takes you to Firefox's advanced configuration page where you can change hidden settings. When the warning message appears, take a moment to read it carefully. Firefox is simply letting you know that these settings can affect browser behavior, so click Accept the risk and continue to move forward. Once you're inside the configuration page, look at the search bar and type Alerts.UseSystemBackend. This is the setting that controls whether Firefox uses the system notification backend. After the result appears, you'll see the preference listed below. If it is currently set to false, click the toggle button to change it to true. Turning this on tells Firefox to use the native Windows notification system instead of its default handling. After you switch it, the setting should update immediately. At this point, the last thing you need to do is restart Firefox. Close the browser completely and open it again so the new setting can take effect. Once Firefox starts back up, your notifications should now follow the Windows native style. And that's it, you've successfully enabled native Windows notifications in Firefox. It only takes a moment, but it can make your browser notifications feel much more integrated with the rest of your PC. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Firefox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.